the clocks of the cores are at the moment at 7400 megahertz for all cores. So that's quite computing power is generated here. And my temperatures, they have reached now 59-60 degrees. And when you pay good attention, you can hear a slight increase of the speed of the fans on the video card, but it will not go much faster, I think. So I think the fans are throttled at 60 degrees, and it's coming above the fans. Just decrease a little, and that's it. It's very quiet system. So I want to give you a look at the figures. You can see for yourself. I have to put the other side around. Now to see what you're doing. So the cores, the clock speeds, utilization of the processor is all on 100%. And here are the temperatures. So we can keep that running for minutes, maybe 15 minutes, that's okay, how it does. Maybe I never stop till this end. So what can I do in the meantime to keep you entertained? That's a good question. I think we have worked through the list entirely at this moment of things I still have to do. So what I should do is some cable management, and it doesn't seem a good idea to me that I do that on a running system. So I will do that afterwards. But for those of you who cannot wait to see Carrie's badge on this machine, I think I can manage to put the badge on. And for those of you who want to know how warm it is, I will continue how warm the processor gets with this insane load. And you move a 5 cooler. We can stay connected for a few minutes. Okay, I see now temperature is about 69 degrees Celsius. And that is not even close to what we can expect. And it's not reaching the neighborhood of 100 degrees, there is nothing to worry about. And in practice we will never ever produce a load like this on the processors. So I think this cooler is very good. Good enough for me. I've seen one video recently from Gary where he was testing a water cooler, and those temperatures didn't reach 30, I think. It was all in the 20s. It was incredible. But nevertheless, a processor like this can easily reach 80 degrees without any problem or any performance loss or anything going wrong with it. So I do not need the water cooling yet, is my conclusion. I think this Mugen 5 does a great job, and still I do not hear the system. I hardly hear it running. So that's a great thing. So how many minutes are we on the way? I think more than 10 minutes, and it is not reached 70 degrees Celsius yet. So I think that's good enough. More than good enough. Matter of fact, it's excellent. That's my opinion. So, this is a good test, just to see what's going on. So for those who can't wait, I think I will put on the badge now. I think I can do that safely. On this running machine. Let's see if I can give you a little view. I think you can see the front now. What I will do is put some sellotape on the badge, and then find a nice place just beneath the trays for the. I can also grab a measuring stick. Maybe that's nice. Put it exactly in the middle. Is that a good idea? Let's see. Let's see what we have here. Maybe I have, maybe I haven't. Okay, I have something here. Let's see. This thing is wide. I need some better lighting here. 5 centimeters exactly. So this panel is about 16. So 16 minus 5. is 11, so 5.5 centimeters I need to be from the side. Let's see. Did I do that right? Oh, it's 15. So it will be 5 centimeters. I have a hard time reading my own equipment. Okay. Let's see. How far are we off? I need my flashlight. Sorry guys. That needs to be a little bit sideways. Oh. What an amateur, don't you think? It's really let's see. It's not exactly 15. Let's see. I want to have it right in the middle. It's about 2 mil shorter than 15. So I'm going to take a millimeter both sides. I think that's good enough in the middle. Are we horizontal? Almost horizontal. So let's see, not quite. So I think that will do it. So now I take off the protector foil. And I just push it in place and remove the sellotape. That's it, Carrie. Your label is on. My build has succeeded and is finished. We can have a look at the temperatures. I think I'm running the temperature, the test still about, I think, 20 minutes now. It's still below 70 degrees. And I do not hear the the CPU fans or the whatever noise of fans. Nothing whatsoever. Whisper quiet. So, that is it for me now. I will end the test and go to do some cable management. So, Carrie, if you ever see this, thanks again for your inspirational work and your tireless efforts to convince people that a real business person needs other things than a hobbyist. I consider myself a little bit of a business person, but this one I just built for my own. Okay, so thanks again, and everybody who has been watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and maybe I'll see you next time. Bye for now.